Sir, please, my father is very sick. I need this medicine.
Stop! You have nothing. Get out.
It's okay. We'll break this open.
This isn't enough.
Please, it's all we have.